So a subscriber of mine recently reached out with some screenshots and pointed something out that I didn't notice when I was on the Better Business Bureau website, reading the F rating by Pinnacle Credit. Now, as you can see from this screenshot right here, this is a 5-star review. But if you'll notice in the review, or maybe midways, I can't remember, you'll see it in the screenshot. There's a bunch of stars. He typed something, a bunch of stars, and then typed something. So, and again, this was a good review left by, well, I mean, it was left by him, obviously. I'm fixing to prove that. But if you'll look in his business responses to the negative reviews, he does the same thing. He types something and then star, 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 types something. So next time you leave a fake review, don't make it so obvious that you made the fake review, because it looks just like your response to the people that are complaining on your business. You got to be smarter than that, man. Just like the people that you're sending to my channel to leave fake comments stating that I ripped them off. Dude, I've never ripped anybody off. I explain to everybody when they sign up with me. You may sign up and absolutely nothing happens, but that's why we offer a money-back guarantee. And we don't just drop our clients when they piss us off or have questions, or, maybe they lie to us. And we're definitely not going to put that in our agreement, because that's not compliant to CROs. Anyway, you're not compliant anyway. I've said this before and I'll say it again, dude. I hope you watch this video. Just stop talking about me and I'll stop talking about you. I think we both have realized you're not going to stop scamming people. It's all you know. And you're not going to stop hiring people from other companies, or I'm sorry, from other countries to work for little to nothing. That's also all you know. But you're never going to see me sit here and just, oh, I'm rich and I got this and I got that. I own my house. I own my office. I don't own my truck because I'm using my credit. But yeah, I just wanted to point this out. I think it's hilarious. And hopefully y'all watch the video on the website reviews, because he talks about how my website's trash. But when you go rank those websites, his score is a 68 out of 100. Mine scores an 89 out of 100. So I may throw those up right here too, just so y'all can see it. I know y'all are tired of this. I'm tired of talking about it. And it's, as a man, it's hard to let things go. And the fact that he's spreading so many lies about me is just ridiculous. Yes, the phone call was real on the Zoom call, and I yelled and I screamed and I cussed. And the wife wasn't yelling and screaming at me. She was yelling and screaming at him for the bullshit that he's done. And just trust me when I say he will go down just like Mike did. In fact, even though he's much smaller fish, it's going to be a lot worse for him when he finally goes down. May take a month, may take a year, may take 10 years. Honestly, the longer it takes, the better, because the worse it is on him. But I hope y'all watch the whole video. If you will leave down in the comment section if you want me to do something special for this weekend. I am actually thinking about doing something extremely special. And I don't discount my prices because I don't believe in them. I discount my prices to help people. I'm here to help people. I'm not here to just make people pay me thousands of dollars for nothing and then run. I mean, that's not what we're about. So if enough people comment, I will let 10 people get started absolutely free. All you got to do is pay for the credit monitoring. 10 people, absolutely free. Let's see how many people actually watch the whole video. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great weekend.